wanted the two separate, but I mean, at least his guac will be cold.
This is his
this
first
place must have been
outing
in a
with
hurry
the other,
because this guy got his burger with a latex glove on the
So
inside.
we'll see.
How does that even happen?
They were all
How do you,
talking
like,
to
take
him
off your
through the
latex glove,
cages.
put it on top of the burger, close the burger, and give it to someone. I'm looking at you. If you did this, we're on to you. You're an accident. We've caught you.
Beatrice is watching some crazy videos.
How would you like your meal served, sir? I'd like it on a gigantic
why don't you leave him alone for a minute?
Sorry. You know, maybe I'm
That's
a little
okay.
extra.
Just let
maybe
him
I'm a little
get
over
to
the
know
top, but
everybody.
personally, I like it when my
Those
food
two
comes
were
out on a
whistling back and
gigantic
forth
porcelain
to each
horse.
other. It was really
That's the
cute.
only way I like to eat, okay?
What'd you say? What'd you say, Elvis? Who is sending this to?
Oh, he's looking at, huh?
Who is sending this to?
Marvin, just to show him the cockatiels getting along. Javelin was definitely into him. I put his cage right next to theirs so they could look at each other for a while.
Oh.
And Javelin was over talking to him, and Peter was over talking to him. These are my two older cockatiels, my first pair. And Billy, the one with yellow on his head, he is about the same age as Elvis. He's about 10 years old. And his mate, Chica, there, she is about 3. And then Peter and Javelin are younger. Javelin, this female right here, she got her name because she bites a lot like your Elvis does. Piercing. But yeah, so it looks like they're probably going to get along. I won't cage them together for a few days, just to be sure that nobody's going to pick on anybody.
What you doing, Elvis?
Peter likes his head scratches. He demands them. Hey, Elvis. Hi. You're getting along pretty good so far. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you got a whole bunch of buddies here.
Do you like your new buddy? Do you like your new buddy, Peter?
Yeah, I think Javelin and Elvis are going to get along pretty well. Javelin does not like Peter. They're not, real close mates. So, Billy and Chica are pretty much paired off.
Elvis and Javelin kind of look the same.
Yeah, they kind of do. Oh, here comes Peter. Billy. Billy was talking to Elvis too. All 3 of the boys were whistling back and forth to each other. It was really cute. But yeah, those 2 were talking to each other. Javelin's kind of a bitch. Oh, be nice. But yeah, she doesn't like pretty much anybody. She did not like Peter. Peter's so cute. Hi. Hi, Elvis. Chica's checking him out.
Peter's just completely ignoring him. He's like, I want my head scratched.
Oh, here comes Javelin. I think she likes him. I think she does. She's just playing a little shy right now. Getting to know him.
Hi.
So cute. Who flipped the card upside down, you goofballs?
Excuse me. There you go. this little toy here.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna play with that, Elvis? I think he likes it. Oh, there's also the paper over there to chew on.
Yeah, they like to chew on paper. He's like, I might just go back to my cage, y'all. Yeah, I opened the top of his cage so that he could come out and play. And I didn't have to reach in and get him.
You wanna play with this little guy?
But I think he's going to do pretty fantastic here.